Entertainer's delight in the highly desirable area of Highland Park. This craftsman-style home is within walking distance to the trendy York Blvd and Figueroa. Welcome to 5660 Hub Street. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath, open-floor living space includes wood floors, updated double pane windows, recessed lighting, an updated kitchen with ceasarstone countertops, custom cabinets, updated plumbing, electrical, tankless water heater, and new light fixtures in the bathrooms. Enjoy morning breakfast and coffee on the large deck. Relax in the jacuzzi spa after those long days' work. Year-round cooking outdoors with the built-in barbecue grill, sink, and counter space. Warm up on those chilly nights by the brand new fire pit. After fun times in your private oasis, take a walk to many shops and an assortment of restaurants. Highland Park is a neighborhood approximately 8 miles north of downtown LA. Looking for a second home or an investment property? This home is right in the center of it all. A fantastic location for an Airbnb. The famous Highland Park is also featured in films such as Reservoir Dogs, Lincoln Lawyer, and the Academy Award-winning Ford vs. Ferrari. Call now and live the California life you've always dreamed of.